After a day of retail therapy at the mall, you just want to get home and enjoy your new wardrobe, if you could only find your car. Unfortunately, this is not just one of those times that you forgot where you parked. Your car has actually been stolen. No need to panic. You have BlueLink Stolen Vehicle Recovery to help save the day. After filing a police report, contact BlueLink at 855-2-BlueLink. That's 855-225-8354. We'll take down your name, BlueLink PIN, and police report number and begin working with law enforcement immediately to recover your car. Using BlueLink GPS technology, your car can be located and local authorities will be dispatched to the scene. If the car is still in motion, BlueLink can assist the local authorities to slow down and even immobilize the car if it's safe to do so. For your safety, the BlueLink Response Specialist will notify you when the authorities have retrieved your Hyundai vehicle and it is available to be picked up. We know how important your Hyundai is to you, which is why we take stolen vehicle recovery so seriously and will do everything in our power to make sure you get your car back. Enhanced safety, security, and enjoyment made possible with the power of Hyundai BlueLink. BlueLink. Navigate, connect, and discover with a push of a button.